Have you ever noticed that oil floats on top of water? It has to do with how water molecules interact with the oil molecules. Oil is insoluble in water. That means it doesn't dissolve in water. The way in which two substances interact depends on the molecules that make up the substances. When oil is poured into a glass of water, the water molecules and the oil molecules meet for the first time. As they are stirred together, the water molecules and oil molecules move around each other. When the stirring stops, the oil and water immediately begin to separate. This is because the oil molecules are not attracted to water molecules. They are more attracted to other oil molecules, and so the oil molecules clump together. At the same time, the water molecules also clump together. Water molecules are more attracted to each other than they are to the oil molecules. As the oil molecules and water molecules clump together, they separate. This is because oil is less dense than water. The oil molecules rise above and float on the water molecules. That is why oil and water do not mix.